Hey guys, today is Sunday the 31st of July, last day of the month, and I was just having a quick look at the charts just before we start the week off, and just wanted to show you a trading opportunity. Okay, so as soon as I looked at the Aussie dollar, I saw straight away a trading opportunity. Okay, this is telling me a short-term, day trading, quick scalping opportunity that could be in play. Okay, now the one thing I try to explain to people and try to show people is the chart is the truth, okay? Everything that you see in the chart is telling you something, okay? Now, whether the market heads up or heads down, right, there's going to be a fundamental reason why, okay? And when I looked at this, I said, well, this is looking like a good trading opportunity to the short side. So I had a quick look at I didn't know at the time, I wasn't thinking at the time, but I thought, well, what fundamental event or economic news event would trigger the market to head down, okay? So I had a quick look at the economic calendar for the week. You can see not much is happening on Monday, but on Tuesday you have the Australian interest rate decision. Now, interesting thing about this is there's been a lot of talk in the media about a potential rate cut. Okay, now they were talking about last month, but I didn't see it happening for last month, which turned out to be the case. But this month, however, I was saying that we could see some sort of rate cut. Okay. Now that lines up perfectly with what we're seeing on the chart. Okay. So I'm betting that we're going to see a rate cut this month. Don't know how much it's going to affect the Aussie dollar, but I reckon it will be pretty decent. Okay. Now, in terms of what I see on the technical side, I see a trading opportunity. I won't go into it too much. All I see is there is a potential for the market to head down into, say, the low 75s. We're currently trading at the just under 76. So we could see this head down to like the low 75s, right? At least in the short term. Okay. Now, look at that means we've got Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so all of Monday and half of Tuesday. Now, but in the meantime, if I lower it down to say the 15-minute chart, what I'm looking for now is how much is the market going to head up, right? Because it still has room to head up, right? And what I see here is the market doing this, right? So this is the low here. We've done this, right? We've found some support here. And then the market rallied. And now we're putting in what I call a bullish consolidation, okay? So if I zoom that out a bit more, when we see these patterns, it tends to mean that we're going to see some sort of breakout to the upside. Okay, don't know where, don't know if it's going to be here or here, but we know it's going to head up a little bit more. Now, if it does head up, then I'd be looking for some sort of area where it's going to stall out. And we're likely we'll see that maybe on Tuesday, right? We don't know yet. So I'll be looking for some sort of breakout to the upside where it's currently at. And then on Tuesday, heading into the rate decision, we could see the markets, the Aussie dollar completely, drop a bit. At least drop down to at least this level here, if not that level. But this is a good trading opportunity. Very quick. Probably the total trade time probably an hour or less, and you're looking at maybe about 100 pips, right? So if I go back to the daily chart again, like assuming that we go up to around these levels here, then you're looking for probably up to about 100 125 pips. Okay, so it's possible. Don't know, could be wrong, but I'm just lining up the technicals versus the fundamentals, right? And they're both lining up for me. And I think we will see the rate cut in Australia. Signs aren't too good anyway, so don't listen to what the media says. But heading into August, September, October, there's going to be so much trading opportunities, right? A lot of opportunity to make a lot of money. Okay, so just got to be open to that idea. There's going to be a lot of people that have no idea of what's going on, and they're the ones that are going to be losing out. Okay, so and I won't go into too many reasons why, what I see, but basically if you believe whatever the media says, then you're pretty much screwed. Okay, so so keep that in mind. And I'll leave it there. I want to keep it short, didn't want to take too long, and I'll leave it there. And if there's any other trading opportunities, I'll kind of post it up, but I'll leave it there for now. Okay, cheers guys, see ya.